Pirogovo is located on the outskirts of Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, and this is a trip I would definitively recommend. Consider first to choose sunny day, if possible one day, so May, June, July, August, September, maybe October would be more appropriate. But you can go also here on the winter because Ukrainian women are not afraid of the cold and the snow. And here you can find little restaurant shops when you can warm, have a tea and have a walk in the snow. So just ask to the woman, but in the summer I think it's top place. So what is about? It's about a park with many houses, little school, little churches from the previous century, showing you the architecture of Ukraine long time ago, and there are different type of depending on the region. So each region is represented by his architecture. Here you have a lovely classroom from the old time, and here you have like a park and you can sit, you can have your drink, you can bring your food if you want, you can cook, you can make a barbecue, and look this lovely open space. It's very unique. The real name of Pirogovo is Museum of Folk Architecture and Everyday Life of the National Academy of Science of Ukraine. It's one of the biggest open airspace museum in the world with 150 hectares and at least 200 employees working there full-time and all along the year. The main interest is there are a lot of folk songs who are playing in the open space museum, and also a lot of folk craftsmen working there. And after you can buy the local product in the shop of the museum. Additionally, there are 20 holidays that are organized here, folk and religious, and that are attracting a lot of people, including foreigners. You can rent some scooters to use it around the park, and also you can ride some horses, some pony, and that's very nice for children. Generally speaking, women really like this type of, they like to go out, to walk in the nature, and you can breathe and have some nice air. So I want to show you on the map where the museum is located. So it is located on the south of Kyiv. From the city center, it's around 12 kilometers. You need between 30 and 40 minutes with a taxi, like a Uber taxi. It will cost you round trip around 20 bucks, and the entrance for one person is 100 hryvnia, which is basically $4. This is a very cheap hangout. Here it is the Pirogovo in Ukrainian park, and the taxi will drop you at the entrance, and you cannot enter with a car inside. So of course the purpose is to walk.